Another kasala don't burst inside Abuja. One woman don't cry out, say they don't thief her baby, they don't even kidnap her baby. Claiming say she and this baby dey house, but this baby they cry uncontrollably. Now so the pikin they cry, she know they fit take care of the pikin. Now there she tell her elder sister, say, oh yeah, carry this pikin, go outside, don't make this pikin go take breeze. Now so this pikin vanish. We be say don't see this pikin reach today. My people never see this one, eh? Make na follow me watch.
Thank you.
Kabiru.
How old are you? Shekaran kina.
23.
When did you get married? When you get married?
Ya kai shekara 5 yanzu.
About 5 years ago.
Yeah. Can you tell us what happened?
Ta je ina wanki a baya. Da ina wanki to tana ta kuka sai na dauka yarinya sai na goya wa kanwar yayarta akan tararrasan min ita.
Okay, so she's washing clothes inside the house behind us here. That the baby was crying. That is the baby that was taken away. She now called the senior sister to that baby and asked her to take her outside so that she can keep quiet.
To shi ne ina cikin wankin ban san yayin ta fita da ita waje ba. Da ta fita da ita waje shi anan to shi kuma ya ganta sai ya ta tafi da ita can wani nuna ake cewa wurin kango sai sun ce ta a bayansa sai ya tafi da ita ce ta zauna ya kawo mata bugu.
Okay, so while she took her in front of their house, the senior sister that was backing the baby, a man came and called them and said you should come. That you want to go and buy bobo for them. He now took her to an uncompleted building and kept the senior sister there and carried the baby, take the baby away, and including the wrapper that they carried, the baby was carried, that is as in to back the baby. The man said, wait for me here, I'll bring bobo for you. And he didn't come back. That's why the girl came out. She was crying.
Now God go save us. It be like saying now where kids no even they safe again. We don't enter festive season now. Bomb and all these bad people, they don't come as I come they operate. This mama talk say truly, she carry her pikin, give this her sister. And as this sister they pegs the pikin outside, she claims in Nigeria one man come meet us. This pikin they cry, oh yeah, follow me, make her go buy bobo for her. If no be say person don't use juju talk, I know say no woman in the right senses go accept. And yes, in Nigeria this woman say follow the man. Say they won't go buy bobo, and so this man carry them go drop inside uncompleted building. Collect this pikin for her hand, say you wait for me, make her carry this pikin go buy bobo. Now so they no say this pikin again. And the worst of it all now, where this thing happen now for where police station dey. Police station just dey like, let me say 2 rooms to this place. Oh. Now where this kind of thing they happen. I can't surprise say a whole kidnapper go carry pikin past clear police people front. Or na no go say this kind of thing they happen. Now why they always talk and say parents make na dey watchful. The kind of things where they happen now, we no go fit talk again. Because now they don't come up from normal things. Now juju now they use take kidnap person pikin. But this pikin one na dey thief. What on I won't use and do? Who give na deadline say if na no make am for December na no will make am again. Because when bad things they happen, especially to children now, it don't they fear me. Parents, if like say now we go come out our pikin, you no suppose they keep your pikin self for inside Nigeria again. If you get money, just carry your pikin, come out from the country, go another place. Because Nigeria no dey safe again now to train pikin. No pikin they say pikin don't even stay. Saying they play for ground before you go see they don't carry on. Me I just they pray say the Abuja police go find this pikin hale and hardy. May they never go use this pikin to do something because Nigeria now and they fear. Before you go here and you go here say a pikin don't die, be something don't happen. So I beg and make do an investigation fast before this matter will come out of hand. Anyway, my people now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Problem dey, oh my people. I hear say another set of Biafran group. This one they call themselves Angry Vipers. They don't come outside. They threaten Obi Cubana and some government politicians and government leaders about the detention of Nnamdi Kanu. Say these politicians they play prank on them. Say as it be if they no allow all these headsmen and bandits come up from their land. Say they go cause kasala. And say they only give our government 21 days, including Obi Cubana, you dey inside. Say if these Fulanis no come up for their land, the next way we go to see na bloodshed. For my people who never hear this one, make na follow me watch.
Attention, attention, attention. We, the angry vipers of Biafra land, have noticed that the governors, senators, local government chairmen, House of Representatives, and all political holders in Eastern region have concluded to play pranks with the lives and well-being of all youths in the Eastern region. You people, no kings and chiefs in our land, we have decided to reduce yourselves to less than used sanitary pad. You are now being toyed about by uncircumcised Fulanis due to your idiocy and bribery. We, the angry vipers, are giving you 21 days to leave our land, unless Mazen Namdekanu is released. For Obi Cubana and co, who are closely working with the killers of our youth, you and your crew made sure that Fulani Abakiari returned to Anambra State. You will hear from us. From now onwards, we will put a stop to any form of tax and revenue in markets, road transport such as bike, vehicle and sundry within the Biafra land. Henceforth it shall be bloody. All hell shall be let loose. This very press statement is irrevocable.
Asa society. Asa society. Asa buah.
Now wow. Me, I think say after this election, everything will calm down. I think say the whole fighting and everything will reduce. It be like say now the thing go even where I better join on top. But I beg I need to ask, why do you concern Obi Cubana for this matter? Because on they claim saying they work underground with government, saying they join them, they kill the youth. I don't understand. How a person in right senses go they kill youth? I'm not sure because me I'm not sure say Obi Cubana get anything for this matter. Maybe I'm not just one link and due to jealousy because of the fact say he get money and they follow these influential people. So Obi, if you never hear me, I don't come outside, they tell you better run for your life. Because these people mean business. They talk and say it go dey very bloody for you. And your fellow politicians, they say they carry this whole matter for head. Me, I don't look this matter, look and sote, I don't realize say the only thing we say go fit even sort to all this wahala. Now make they allow Nnamdi Kanu give press release. Maybe making following people talk say okay, make them stop to the fight, make them stop to the cause kata. My lawyers they on top this matter. But yeah, by then everything will calm down. Because you just say look this thing small but Shabina saw one group before self come outside. Say there be Biafran waiting. We hear say they don't kill down. Now another set self don't they plan themselves again to come outside. I no see one and they trust in herself, they kill on herself. Because to me, not really they needed. Last they go release this man. Because what they hold on for, to make sense. So make na just calm down, chillax. Enjoy on a state. I don't know if na just like the killing or being na just want to keep person na one they make na they do all this one. But anyway, me I go advise say make our Nigerian police and military make sure say they find this set of people before they will go cause destruction inside the state again. Anyways, my viewers, now here I will take break on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Kasala don't burst to my people. And I remember one Vanguard journalist where we say his name now Todu Salam, where we announced one time say this man don't beast. I hear say now they don't see this man, but as they see this man, now this man dead body now they see you. Now wow.
Emotions as the news of the mysterious and suspicious death of missing parliamentary reporter Todu Salem gets back to his colleagues. Clad in black, the reporters mourn. Then prayers are said for the repose of his soul. Soon, news filtered in that the police paraded a suspect who allegedly killed him with his car. The journalists say many questions beg for answers and insist the claims by the police do not add up.
And collate all our questions. These are the questions we want answers to.
How come Todue's family were not first invited to be briefed on Todue's death?
Was struggling like every other person here, and somebody will just kill him like an animal.
What we're asking for is, as a house, is justice, and to ensure that his perpetrators are brought to book.
The call on the leadership of the National Assembly to ensure justice is served. The angry journalists thereafter marched to the Utako office of the FCT-NUJ.
Oh, now not say the time where this guy missed, they don't even take this matter serious. Police never carry on serious. Now the audio journalists for Vanguard come outside, they protest. before they come decide say they won't do the work. Now when they don't do the work, on say time don't go. Everything don't late. This man don't already die. And I say this man picking every day. Now they ask say where in papa in small baby. So what did they want tell this one? How this family won't even start all of a sudden? But in fact, it means say this Nigerian make we dey very very careful. You don't know where you will go. You don't know who be your target. Maybe the person just the wait okay make I kill this guy because the way this guy dying, it dey very very suspicious. Person come out from government house only for her to go house. He don't miss from there. And since then, this one even past 2 weeks, past 3 weeks. Now, so they not see this guy again. Anyways, making so rest in peace. Me, I go just the pray say make him get the kind of justice when he deserve. Say in family, they go try at least help this man. Whoever kill him, may they try catch the person. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this story. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Now, wow, my people. I hear say the governor of Oyo State, Mr. Makinde, don't carry our money, go buy bulletproof bus. And you know it is surprise me about this bus matter. Now the price. I hear say this bus they worth 320 million. Say this man use this money buy and say because of the way rising insecurity they happen. The way they kill people now why he go buy to protect himself and in other political aids. For my people who never see this bus, they can follow me watch. So you feel say now your own citizens now ready to die now? Now only you want to protect yourself now why you go buy bulletproof bus? I don't even see the need because all of us know say Oyo State, you know today bad like that. No be say now not. Now Yoruba land. And we know say the fighting and bandits and all those things, you know today they like that. So why be say you go waste this kind of money on top of this kind of place? And this money self no be small money. It's not like even 10 million and no when they complain. 320 million now you just go waste just like that. And now people vote for you because they're very certain say no be your money you go use because I hear people they talk saying you they very rich before you turn to governor. Fine, if they very rich, but they very certain say no be in personal money in go use stay by that bus. Now government for people taxes money will be say people don't pay. Say use and do the state, use and do things. You know use and do that one. Now boss will be saying no even they I don't know why they spend lavishly. As politicians and they always talk and say oh no get our people for mind. Or now they get our citizens for one because if not truly they get now not going to make all these kind of irrational decisions. They should always be say later now we go here say this van be a bandits don't carry them. I be the engine don't miss spiritually. Because we know now as soon as come as I can't give us football and lie. But anyway, truly me I don't even get issue with you because I hear say you they work. But for this boss, me I go advise just go return the boss, collect your money back. Go use and develop the state, make we know say using it for better thing. Because this boss to me, it no even they necessary, it no they need it at all. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this story. Make now stay tuned for our next story. I greet on my people. This one will carry comment now good news for my fellow Nigerians. So I hear say the deputy commissioner don't announce it. Make nobody allow any police officer search in phone. As far as say these people don't come me to say give me your phone, say if they no hold any warrant or be any papers, okay, oh, we get legal right, say we won't check your phone. Say make nobody even answer themselves for even stop and search. Oh. My people never hear this one. Make now follow me see.
Give the phone. No, don't you see, the mother whose spot is gone. She said the challenge you people have as negotiators, as Nigerians, is to ask for your rights. It is not the duty of no policeman, and I want to be quoted here. No policeman can ask for your phone unless there is a warrant. Unless you are being investigated as a person. Not stopping me on the checkpoint and asking for what? My phone.
I know say this one now good news for everybody. And I hope so now use na ear, hear about herself. So making I begin stand up for our rights. The man don't talk up. If police come meet you, stand up for your right and face this man. But Commissioner Bassi, me I suppose ask you one kind of question. I beg. You don't inform your fellow officers, okay, oh, they no get right now to the search person phone. Because we know these people, before you go talk, they don't even use slap, collect the phone for your hand. So me I feel say you supposed to inform your people first. Before you go come public, now come they tell, make you no come go be like na public, now they overdo. Make you no come go be like na then they do grag because we know our police. Even normal things, they never stop person for stop and search. They harass people. Talk less of say they come say, okay, bring your phone, they won't check them. The man don't talk and say, if you be criminal, fine. If you be person will be say that they investigate, fine and good. They feel stop you with a warrant, okay, they won't search you. But I say you no do anything, you look calm, you dey okay. Person come meet you as a police officer. You no carry any warrant, make you no answer them. I hope say this one go work inside Nigeria. Hey, because we know say this one will bring come like this. Our Nigerian youth they go misuse them. They go overdo. Even before police go say stop, they no go answer. They go move. But I beg my people make na no go overdo them. If they stop you fine. Then you if you ask politely, Oga officer, where your warrant? If you no get, you drive off. If you get, you stop. Give them whatever you want give. But not be saying now Congo they go form right to say, Mr. Deputy don't talk say. I beg. Nobody demand they claim. If you know say you get your document, you dey right, fine and good if you face them these people. But this law enforcement agents are waiting and record them. Honestly, they talk them. Una supposed put them down, follow them talk. Maybe now go add to a national anthem for money, they ring inside their ear. Say okay, we don't bring in new law because all these kinds of things in audio talk. Una go talk and last, una people go they misbehave. Especially DSS, I mean, waiting and they call herself. Now then they mostly do all these kinds of things and SARS. So me, I feel as you don't talk this one, still call your people down. Follow them, announce and make them hear them. So okay, now the new law where you bring come so that peace go fearing inside Nigeria. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this story. Make now stay tuned for our next story.